What it do, we back in this thing. Me, OBS Bray. What it do, we back in this thing. Cool Cars KJ, OBS Bray. We about to tinker around with this blue dually for a little bit. We got us some new cab lights, man. This video is sponsored by PARTSam, lighting and accessories. There should be a discount code in this video at the end, so stay tuned for that. Watch the whole video. We're gonna do an unboxing and we're gonna do an installation video. Just gonna be nice, short, and sweet. So let's get it started. Hold that right quick. Open this box up, see what we got shaking. We got some LEDs. Looks like we got some light sockets. I don't know if them have to be used or not, but oh, we got some screws. I was wondering about that. See how rusty those are? Rusty screws right there. So that's good that they provided some screws. All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, there was a toggle switch of some sort. Oh wow, yeah, we ain't gonna need that. But we got some bases. This is like the gasket right here, I suppose, and the light itself. Take one out and take a look. Ooh.
A nice new orange.
It's fresh orange. Right there. Take a look.
Another candy orange.
That's fresh there, boy.
Yeah, that's way better.
Yeah, and these are old, so it's probably been our best interest to change those out, just to make sure they ain't got no leaks. Open one of these, you can see. Oh yeah, that's some pretty good quality there.
Yeah.
Pretty nice. All right, so hop up there and take, I'm gonna start with the one that's messed up the worst. Come take a look at this one over here.
Rock.
What's up, Rock? This one broke long ago. Destroyed. Probably letting all kind of water in. I never sealed it up. Let's see what we can do right here. Okay. So it almost seems like this is a full kit for somebody who maybe didn't have cab lights.
And they can put their own.
Yeah. Cause that thing looks identical. I don't think in our application we're gonna have to take the wires loose. Why cut the wires if they're good? So we can use the rubber gasket, reuse this, maybe put the new LEDs in and put the caps on and be done with it. I'm gonna get some stuff to clean this. I'm gonna clean each one off. Let me go get some tools, some supplies. Probably get maybe a degreaser or something and a couple of blue shop rags. What you think?
Yeah.
And wipe it off, put the new stuff on, go down the line, do all 5, and that'll be it. This hood's all dented and bent up, so I'm just gonna make it easy on myself. Y'all know I'm kind of short. Oh, shit. See what we got here, Bray. How does this pop in and out? Just go around it like that. Woo.
Yeah.
Might should have used some what's it called? Paper towels. Microfiber will be fine though. Can you see?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. You can bend it like this too. And bend it out, so yeah, that's pretty good.
Now y'all know I like to clean stuff, so you may not have to do all this, or you may not care to do all this. All right, so we have to use one of these, and use a LED. I'm gonna try their LEDs. What do you think?
Should work. Be nice and bright.
Look at that. Thing I don't like about LEDs, man, you gotta put them on the right way, or they don't like they won't work.
Yeah.
All right, so you just put the socket through, and I think you literally push that through there. I think it was like that. Turn it like you want it. Take that out, put that in. Man, that's pretty damn simple. I need to take one of these off just to verify, because I didn't really pay attention. See how I kind of got that one at an angle? Looks like you can move them a little bit, or how far you want this to stick out of there. So luckily we have 4 more. See, that one's straight. You see that?
Yeah.
Straight out. And this one is. It's kind of at an angle, so let me try that. Just want to make sure it doesn't go a certain way.
Are you breaking?
It sounds like it is, but we're gonna see. We know for a fact we got another one. I mean, we got more.
There it goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really need to get the key for it and make sure that LED is going the right way before we actually screw it down. Let's do that. Let me go get the key. I'll be right back. That one ain't shining. The other ones are. So we'll have to flip the LED around. I remember when I did my cluster with LEDs, man, it was a pain trying to get all them LEDs the right way. There you go. That's it.
Yeah.
Real simple process. But it's nice that they give you all the stuff you need to
Add them if you didn't
add
have
them
them.
if you was lacking them or something like that. This is the way they go. Yeah, big side forward, skinny side back. Gotta figure out what's the right way to go tight without breaking the light, you know? See how they sit flush? All this flush right there, so ideally you want to get it just like that. I'm gonna take that one loose and slide it just a little bit. That looks more like it. Gotta check that LED out at night, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let me get them all done. We might do a time lapse, do the rest of them, and that'll be a done deal. All right, y'all, that's a done deal. Man, I'm pretty happy with that. That new orange lens looks so good. Look at the difference. I like that. Show y'all what it looks like from the ground. I had to get some nighttime footage. See how those LEDs show up. But that's a pretty simple process. Very happy with it. You like it, Bray?
Yeah.
Come take a look.
Yeah, that looks good.
The sun's in the way. Anyway, that's pretty easy process. Real simple, nice product. If y'all want to get some lights and accessories off their website, the link will be in the description. PARTSam lighting and accessories. Type in code Corey, K-O-R-E-Y. Simple as it gets for 15% off. 15% off. Type in Corey, K-O-R-E-Y, and get you some lights for any project. Not just these trucks. I got them for all kind of trucks, semis, trailers. Oh, believe it or not, that's the same company that I use to smoke tail lights on my trailer over there. So I've been buying lights from them for a while. So to get 15% off, type in promo code Corey, K-O-R-E-Y, and get you your lights of choice for whatever project you're working on. We'll get y'all some nighttime footage before we end this video. Turn them on, Bray. Ooh, that looks pretty good. See if I can change the exposure. Turn them off. See if I can get close. All right, turn them off. Yeah, that looks good. You doing it? The LEDs look a lot better than I thought they would. Yeah, I like that. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed that, man. Like, share, subscribe. We're gonna holler at y'all later on. Peace! Look at the difference, y'all. 20 plus years old. Fresh.